If you need to recover your Valiant bank account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions to take. Step 1. Visit the Valiant Bank website. Go to the official Valiant Bank website. Look for the login section and click on the Forgot Password or Account Recovery link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Provide your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Valiant bank account. This is crucial as the bank will use this email to send you recovery instructions. Step 3. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when you created your account. This step helps verify your identity and ensures that you are the rightful account owner. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access, update your account settings. Add a new phone number if necessary and ensure your email address is current to avoid future issues. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Valiant bank account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any difficulties, consider reaching out to Valiant Bank's customer service for further assistance.